Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to use Claude to be a 1000x developer so you can ship faster, put meaningful commits, and actually do a lot in product development. So much so that you can do like 325 meaningful commits in one single day and deploy thousands of websites. I've deployed over 100 websites in Vercel itself in the last 1 month. This means I am a 1000x developer. I'll show you exactly how you can be a 1000x developer. First of all, you need to have a really good IDE to have thousands of terminals running in. I exaggerate thousands, but I don't actually mean thousands. Anyways, you just put in like 8 to 6 terminals which you might use in one go. Claude dangerously skip permissions, Claude dangerously skip permissions. Use any ID, use VS Code cursor. I'm using CMux currently, but you can use anti-gravity, cursor, CMux, all those big brands. But I'm using personally CMux because it's just made for terminals. Anyways, you Claude dangerously skip permissions. This is important. Claude dangerously skip permissions exactly makes you like you don't have to keep on pressing accept again and again and again. So I have like 8 terminals now with Claude dangerously skip permissions. It's not actually that dangerous unless you give him like access to very important stuff. So do not give access to very important stuff, I guess. I have like 8 Claude terminals. Wait. We missed one. Yes. 8 Claude terminals. Now I'm ready to build and ship stuff. Right. Okay. There are few CLIs I would really recommend to connect with Claude. It's called the GitHub CLI, the Vercel CLI for deployment, GitHub CLI for basic commits. Make sure this is already connected to Claude so we can dive straight into it instead of if you want a tutorial on that, just ask Claude how to do it. You do not need tutorials anymore. So after this is done, there's a very famous command everyone is using right now called /goal. It's a Claude code command and you basically give one goal to Claude and Claude does it no matter what. If you want a full iOS app launched in App Store, it will do that for you. So iOS app for Xscroll, please launch. And another great recommendation I would give is renaming each and every terminal so you don't miss out, like you don't forget which terminal is what. So this terminal is about the text scroll app I'm making. So this app basically lets you doom scroll research papers instead of you doom scrolling in unnecessary stuff. It basically gets running like until it actually achieves the goal. So it's really great. You can basically use all these other terminals to do whatever you want in life. Basically, maybe video editing. I use Claude Code for video editing as well. So I have different sections of terminals where you can use Claude. I'm basically gonna drop him this video itself to do video editing. 1 second. One more thing you can do is use Codex to generate images because Codex is really good at generating images. So I basically tell him to generate. You can use this in the website as well, but using Codex and Claude together basically helps you also create really good user interfaces. Let me give you some examples. This is the website made by Claude, but the images are by Codex. So it's like really sick what the two combinations can do together if they want. Yeah, it creates very impressive websites. Like these are impressive images, impressive slogans, yeah, whatever. It just happened in like 10 seconds. So yeah, for the time being, it is really good.